Hello, so I'm going to show you how to fix Resident Evil 2 Remake not opening, so let's start. Now for the first step, make sure to go to the Windows taskbar right here. After that you can see this hidden upside arrow, you just need to click it. After that, it depends on the launcher you have the game on. I have it on Steam. If you find your launcher right here, right click. After that, make sure to select exit. Now for the next step, go to the Windows search bar, type in NVIDIA, and now you should open it. In the left menu you can see the drivers element, select it. After that, go and install the latest available driver you will find. Next, open the Steam launcher. This will be displayed, so you need to go to the library. After that, select collections. Now you need to search for the game, which is Resident Evil 2. I will use this just for the explanation, so go to the right and click this manage icon. After that, go to properties. Now this will pop up, so go to launch options, type in -dx12. After that, go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. That way any corrupted or missing file will be corrected and restored successfully. Maybe that's the issue that prevents you from opening the game, so just wait for the process to finish and just go to the Windows icon after that and make sure to restart your computer. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.